Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Friday. Well, today, as you can see, we're going to be working on this one. I have no idea what to call it. It does have 606 red, not 666. And we are working right down here in this little area. So yeah, I thought, why not? Yeah. And I thought we'd try out this new bad boy light and see how great it works. I am just tickled pink with it. I love it. Just love it. And I have another place to put all my little magnets as well. So, yay. Let me bring it in just a bit here so you can at least see what is going on. Oh my goodness. Well, I didn't go anywhere yesterday. In fact, I sat in my rocking chair and stitched for about 3.5 hours on the hairpins. So yeah, made a little progress there. But just didn't do too much of anything yesterday. I got out, it was fine. I mean, the weather, it wasn't cold, it wasn't hot. Then there was a little bit of wind. So, yeah. I got out some of my split pea soup that I made, was it a month ago, maybe? When I had to have some split pea soup. Yeah. So I got that out, and I had it for lunch and dinner because it was so good. So yeah, I have no idea what I'm cooking today. I do have brats in there, so I can maybe have brats with some sauerkraut and some baked beans or a vegetable. So that might work. Just going, pressing the easy button this week. Yep. Watched a little Netflix and a little YouTube. Yeah. So, fun times. I had to adjust that light just so that there wasn't a great shadow cast on the cross stitching, but yeah, it works fabulous. I just can't get over it. In fact, I have in my cart at Amazon one of these so that I can have two of them, one for this desk and one for over on the couch. Yeah, because I have one of those ones that's on a stand, but it was just always getting in the way. Now this was had a floor stand, so I haven't used it hardly more than twice. Yeah, but this, yeah, I need to have another one for sure. And I like that it's freestanding, you know, and it'll be able to come right over where I'm stitching over there. It beats the light that I have over there. So, yeah. I'm gonna do it. But that won't be until payday, so. Awesome. Just awesome. So no grand plans here. My daughter's still down in the back a little bit, so we won't be moving around out in the woods, and it's supposed to get colder today. So, you know, and even a little rain, I don't know if they changed that. I haven't looked at the weather report today. Just going with what it is. So, yeah. Works for me. So I may get out Well, I guess if I'm going to get out the brats, then I don't need to. I was going to say I would get out some green chili and make burritos, because I do have all the ingredients to make in my burritos. So we'll see. That is subject to change. Got my little fan needle minder that I got from, I don't know. I was going to say AliExpress, but I don't know if I did or I didn't, because they came out with those at fan sales and several other stores, you know. So I got fans, and I think there was there owls or something else? But I had seen them at AliExpress. I think the one I got from AliExpress is metal, not wood. So must have been one of those that I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. If you got an answer to that big question, put it in the comments below. And did you all like that lamp this morning? I just cannot go on enough about it, I swear. And no, I don't get a commission for everyone that sells. No, I'm just impressed. And you know me, when I'm impressed, I'm impressed. I just absolutely love it. Because I put off getting any kind of lamp, you know, other than what I had, because they were just so expensive, but just very well made. I just can't. And it's doing a great job here, shining on my cross stitching, and haven't used the what do you call it, the magnifier yet. I haven't had a reason to, because I can see this very well. But over there on my couch, it's kind of you got the window behind it, and it just gets dark. So that's why I have that freestanding, it's got, what is it, 2, 4, 5 bulbs on it. I don't put 5 bulbs in it. In fact, I finally had, after 4 or 5 years, had to get more LED lights. Yeah. But I can, move it where I need to, and this is just tall enough to be able to sit on the couch and use it at the same time. So maybe I'll get out my counted cross stitch. So I don't know. We will see. It's kind of a brighter orangish red than the red that 666 red is. Oh, I forgot to cut that part off. And I was moving things around, and I dropped my orange scissors that I used to open everything down into the hole at Calcutta over here. So there'll be a fishing exposition later on today. I'm just going to move that out of my way. That way I don't have to keep moving it. Oh, well. Seriously, Laura. Get rid of one needle. Start with another. But yeah, I'm really pleased with how the hairpin one is doing. It's coming right along, just little by little. But it's very easy to stitch on, and the material just softens right up. It's just lovely. All right. I thought I heard a noise, but it wasn't. It's just the dishes shift. I put some dishes in the sink, and it shifted, and I thought, okay, what is the cat into? Because the cat never gets into anything, ever. you know, you're lucky she comes out to use her litter box and eat. So, yeah. And I'd forgotten how easy this is to stitch on, because you only have to worry about one color. I love that part. Just love that part. I don't know what I did with... It's not one color. It's maybe 2, possibly 3. Can't remember. What I did with Cinderella. She's here somewhere. She's hiding out with Prince Charming. They must have went on a camping trip. We always said that Barbie and Ken went on a camping trip when I find... My daughter had, you know, the camping bus thing, and it had all the pieces and parts, you know, and the tent and the blah, blah, blah. For the Barbie dolls, that is, tent. So whenever we'd find a piece or part, we'd say that Barbie and Ken went camping. Oh, jeez. Oh, dear. Where am I going to go? Guess right there. I'm not real fond of going across a white section, because this is a partial. But we'll let it slide this time. So anybody going any place exciting this weekend? Gonna do anything fun? I get to go do laundry later. Isn't that just hilarious? I love it. Oh, and don't forget the trash episode. Man, my life is just too much sometimes. I just can't keep up. Oh, I thought for a minute there I went right up the one eye. So yeah, it might be kind of a quiet weekend. Short of the laundry episode. I don't think I need to go to the grocery store for anything in particular. So we'll see. Of course, I'll change my mind 3 times before, you know, tomorrow's episode. That's how I am. Oh, I need that. Yeah, no. I don't feel like that this weekend. I feel like I've got enough warm things if it gets, like, freezing cold. You know, so. We will see. No wants or needs this week. I had a baked potato the other week, or the other day. I had those leftover ribs, and I was just really needing to have a baked potato. I don't usually make baked potatoes, but I really wanted one, so got to have that this week. Guess that was a big excitement, huh? A baked potato. I used to cook them in my, I didn't want to cook it in the little jiffy oven. I don't know, it just doesn't seem to get done, and so I was cooking them in the microwave, and I finally got a better microwave, sometime last year, I believe, because mine finally gave up the ghost. So, yeah, fun times. So I hadn't done one in the new microwave. Like I said, it's probably been 5 months or so, 5 or 6 months since I got that microwave. But it works really nice. I think we got it at Walmart. We don't have too much of a choice of where to buy things, and it wasn't like it was something I was going to order from Amazon, so if I didn't find one, I was going to wait for the next person to go to Denver to get me one, but Walmart came through. They usually do. A lot of kids out playing and doing stuff. You know, I've noticed more in the evening. So they're out and about. They're liking this nice weather too. Okay, I'm going to just turn that right that way. And then we're going to pull you out. So, yep, it just gets there a little bit at a time. I don't really want to start, you know me and background stuff. It's like, oh gosh, that's a bit. Yeah, I'm putting it off on the other ones as well. On my hairpin ladies. Yeah, because there's like a screen right behind all those flowers. So I'm like, maybe not yet. No, we'll just keep doing other things. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please help hit the bell, and that way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.